Over the past 5 years, we've tested 28 of the best full-face downhill helmets on the market. For this update, we purchased 14 of the best models available for this comparative review. Whether for downhill, enduro, or simply more head and face protection, full-face helmets are a great option for many riders. Our testing process included countless bike park laps, copious amounts of sketchy jumps, high speeds, even a handful of crashes. After weeks of real-world riding, we compiled our notes and carefully evaluated each helmet on predetermined performance metrics. Our recommendations can help you find the best helmet for your riding style and budget. The first product on our list is Fox Racing Rampage Pro Carbon Weld. We feel the best full-face downhill helmet is the Fox Rampage Pro Carbon Weld, which took the highest overall score in our test. This top-of-the-line helmet features some unique safety features, including a multi-composite technology shell, dual-density EPS foam, and fluid inside technology. Fox claims that fluid inside mimics your body's natural cerebral spinal fluid and is meant to manage both linear and rotational impact energy. Additionally, a clever magnetic breakaway visor allows it to detach during a crash. Despite this helmet's heavier weight, we were also quite impressed with its ventilation. This helmet isn't perfect. We found the fit to run a little on the small side, as well as a minor pressure point on the forehead. If you are in between sizes, we recommend trying one on before you buy and potentially sizing up. Also, the Rampage Pro Carbon is quite expensive, but if you're willing to spend the money for the best downhill helmet on the market, we think this is it. The second product in our list is Troy Lee Designs D3 Fiberlite. The Troy Lee Designs D3 Fiberlite is a high-end helmet at an impressive price tag. The D3 Fiberlite borrows many features from the more expensive models in the Troy Lee line and packages them in a more affordable, fiberglass shell. This helmet delivers a high level of comfort with plush padding and a crowd-pleasing fit. The heavier construction is confidence-inspiring, and we felt secure and well protected at high speeds and while hitting jumps. This lid is moderately priced, but we feel it represents an excellent blend of quality and price. The D3 Fiberlite isn't quite perfect. This is one of the heaviest helmets in our review and is not the helmet we would choose for pedal-heavy trail rides. It is much better suited for riding lifts at the bike park, racing, and burly free riding. We also found its ventilation/breathability to be a bit below average. While we feel it is a very protective helmet, it doesn't come with any sort of rotational impact protection system. The next product in our list is Smith Mainline MIPS. The Mainline is a new model from Smith Optics. This lightweight full-face was designed with input from Smith's professional enduro racers. It's pretty darn light, although a couple of ounces heavier than some of the other enduro-focused models we've tested, but it has a more substantial, confidence-inspiring feel. Smith's use of Koroyd helps maintain a high level of coverage and impact protection while still delivering excellent ventilation. This airflow is critical when smashing on the pedals in the middle of an enduro stage or grinding up that pesky climb in the middle of your shuttle lap. The Mainline carries a downhill certification, and it felt more robust than some of the other helmets in the enduro subcategory. Yes, there are lighter options, but we feel the Mainline is an ideal blend of weight, ventilation, comfort, and protection. While we loved the Mainline for its substantial feel and excellent weight-to-protection ratio, it does have some compromises. There are better options if ventilation is of the utmost importance. Yes, the Mainline has above-average airflow, but some models breathe a little better. We also don't think this the best option for dedicated bike park riding or downhill racing. While it is downhill certified, we'd recommend looking at a heavier-duty DH-specific helmet. The Mainline MIPS is on the pricey side of the spectrum. That said, we feel the asking price is justified for its quality and performance. The next product is Bell's Super Air MIPS. The Super Air MIPS is our favorite convertible helmet. This helmet is very lightweight with excellent ventilation. We feel it is an excellent choice for aggressive trail and enduro riders who pedal to the top of their favorite downhills. It functions very well as a half shell and quickly and easily converts to a full face when you choose. The chin bar weighs practically nothing and can be easily stowed in a pack for long uphill grinds en route to a gnarly downhill. The Super Air MIPS is basically 2 helmets in one, and a great option for the rider who only wants to ride with a full face some of the time. To be clear, this isn't the perfect helmet. Given its low-profile design and lighter weight, it simply doesn't feel as robust as other downhill-focused helmets. For pure downhill riding, we recommend looking for a bulkier, more substantial, DH-specific model. Also, riders with more pronounced jawlines may feel like their chin is left a little exposed. That said, we think this is an excellent convertible helmet that can serve double duty as a half shell or a full face. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. As always, all the links about the products will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices, and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.